Hello and welcome. My name is Aaron Shelnut, Chief Operating Officer and Partner at Impact LED. I'm excited today to introduce to you the next generation of LED signs, and that is the G5. Now, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete engineering overhaul. We spent the last year optimizing power delivery, structural integrity, and thermal management to give you a sign built with total confidence. Let's get into it. With the G5, we're offering pixel pitch resolutions in 4, 6, 9, and 15 millimeter. Our design is borderless because you want full screen impact, not a bulky border with someone else's logo. We're leading the industry in brightness with 10,000 nits on our 6, 9, and 15 millimeter models. At that brightness, the sun doesn't compete, giving you bright, vibrant images for years down the road. Combine that with a viewing angle exceeding 160 degrees, you're getting more eyes on the sun than ever before. That's maximum viewability. That's the G5. Let's talk about our slim precision frame architecture. The G5 is built with die-cast aluminum, making it one of the strongest cabinets in the industry. At 2.75 inches, you're not going to find something stronger and thinner than what we have here. Check out these mounting points. This gives you flexibility on installations. These circles, yeah, they're cable pass-throughs. If you don't like that, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is the perfect sleek profile for high-end brand appeal, making retrofits simple. So let's take a look under the hood. I want to talk to you guys about our patent-pending direct path technology. As you can see, we've eliminated traditional cables, which is your number one failure point in outdoor signs. We're able to do that by communicating our data and our power via these floating hubs throughout the sign. We have our communication and our control box, but customers and dealers tell us all the time how much they love the clean look of the G5. You only get this through direct path technology, and that is the G5. Everyone knows heat is the enemy of electronics. So we have built a heat sink throughout the length of the power bar and venting built into every module. We're attacking heat at its source, and the result, you get a sign that runs cooler and lasts longer. When we were designing the G5, we didn't stop at great hardware. We designed a great experience. That's where Impact Vision comes in. Impact Vision Intelligent Diagnostics monitors the sign's health in real time, identifying an issue before it becomes a service call. We've moved from reactive to predictive maintenance. The G5 with Impact Vision is the gold standard for uptime. Smart engineering does more than improve performance. It protects the bottom line. One of the ways G5 does this is by incorporating our hybrid pixel design in our 9 and 15 millimeter resolution. This gets you max brightness with significantly lower power draw. Smarter power, lower cost. That's the G5. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the G5 with me. If you have questions or need a quote, reach out to our team. Let's build something great together.